Hi guys, today I'll show you how to create splatter effect in Photoshop. At first, we'll separate the subject from the background. Go to Select, Subject, Photoshop AI will choose the subject for us. Head to Select, Select and Mask. Use Refine Edge Brush tool to make its selection accurate. Paint over her hair and her body to remove the background left. Check to decontaminate colors. Amount 64%. Output new layer with layer mask. OK. Press Ctrl or Command C to copy this layer. Go to File, New. Choose Custom. Set the values as below. Width 5000. Height 5000. Resolution 72. Color mode RGB color. White in background contents. Hit Create. Double-click to the clock icon to unlock the background layer. Click to FS icon. Choose Blending options. Choose Gradient Overlay. Blend mode Normal. Opacity 80%. Style Radial. Click to Color box. Select Black, White. Change black color to the color that you prefer. I'll go with red. OK to close all windows. Now Ctrl or Command V to paste the girl that we copied before. Use Transform tool, Ctrl T to expand the subject to fit with the canvas. Take this dripping photo to our project. You can download all the stock in the description link. Ctrl T to expand and move it down. Hold Ctrl key and click to layer 1 to take its selection. Turn off layer 1. Select the mask of subject layer, then press Delete. In layer 0, create a new layer with this icon. Pick up Brush tool. Click to arrow icon, drop down menu in Wheel icon and select Import Brushes. Load this set of splatter brushes. Open Splatter folder. Choose the brush that you like. Increase brush size with this bracket. Set foreground color to dark red to match with the background and subject color. Dab to apply the brush to image. Change to different brushes to create a unique dripping effect. Create a new layer for using other brushes. Use Eraser tool to remove the color. In background layer, create blending options. Add drop shadow. Blend mode Lightning Burn. Black in color box. Angle 90 degrees. Distance 20 pixels. Size 10 pixels. OK. Put splatter brushes and subject layers into group. Hope that you enjoyed this session. Hit like and subscribe or you can leave comments right down below. Thanks for watching.